YouTube, what's good? Netbecam champions, what is up, guys? Yo, what a weekend! What a weekend! Like yo, we didn't post the video yesterday, but hey, it's dangerous out there, guys. Pirates fans are out there wanting to kill us. It's dangerous being a Chiefs fan. Nonetheless, guys, we still got top 8 to fight for. Match preview versus Kukune United. Let's dive into it. So, as usual, guys, we'll be doing a predicted 11 for Kaiser Chiefs, the Nedbank Cup champions. Starting in goal, guys, I think we'll have to expect Peterson in goal. Obviously, did pretty decently against Pirates. Can't fault him, yeah, but can't fault him. The goal should have done better, but it doesn't matter. It does not matter. We won the game. So, I think Peterson will start the game, yeah, but he's a guy who's been passionate about the club over the past for years now, yeah, but he's been animated, yeah, but fighting with Kelvin Johnson in the derby where he lost 3-2. He clearly is a Chiefs fan and it's the best interest of the club at heart, yeah, but these mistakes, he doesn't do it on purpose. Same applies for Bruce Vuma. Ndori, not so sure, but Vuma and Peterson love the club for sure, yeah, but moving on to left back, guys, we can expect Bradley Cross to come back into the team, yeah, but I think he can kickstart his Chiefs career just like many players in the Chiefs squad. He can kickstart his career. Had a very good game against Sundowns. Had a very decent derby against Ngota. Yeah, well, he can kickstart his career starting on Saturday. Yeah, well, he can do what we thought he could do. Yeah, well, he's a player who's played in the Newcastle Academy. He can apply this. This experience in the PSL. Yeah, well, he's a very good player. We bought him. Cross is a player that we bought for like the now and the future. Yeah, well, we bought him for the future, for what he will be, not what he is. Yeah, well, he is not the finished article. There's still lots to improve on, and he still has time. Yeah, well, as long as we get a left back in Pasadena, I think we can expect Cross to learn from someone like Pasadena, guys. Yeah, but Dove is also leaving, guys. So Dove left, Itlokwe left. I expect us to get Pasadena, guys. I expect us to get Pasadena, get the deal off the line. Yeah, but if anything, Pasadena and Fiston Mayele add this into the team, I think was challenging for the title. Yeah, but because we already got Dudley, we got Miguel, we got Kele, we got Lelep on his day. Sereno has a good 2 years left in him. I think we've got the core of the team already set up. Yeah, but I think just add a striker and a left back and maybe a few more spots there, but mainly left back striker, and then I think we'll be cooking. Yeah, well, centre back, Stove. He's leaving. He is leaving, but Rasta, man, I've always loved this guy from Clifton City. Yeah, well, I used to love watching Clifton City when they go Manyama, Nodada, Ralani, like players like that. And Dover was a huge part of that. Always wanted by Chiefs, Pirates, and Sundowns in his prime. Yeah, but Dover, thank you, Rasta, man, for all you've done, particularly in this cup run. Yeah, where you've been a very formidable centre back, and it's nice. When Itlokwe left, guys, I thought it was over for us in defense, yeah, but Dove came back and he did the most, yeah. And I think we have to give credit to Coach Nabi because Dove, Itlokwe, these guys were Equinica, these guys were seen as finished. Hey, sorry guys, my granny came into the room. These guys were seen as finished. That when you have to give credit to Coach Nabi, Equinica, all these guys from Simango, yeah, well, all these guys, Ogs, yeah, well, being pinched. But they came back and fought for the club. Yeah, well, I'm happy that we have a coach who can motivate these players to be the very best version of themselves. Yeah, well, and centre back, guys, Miguel is injured, guys. I mean, Miguel is suspended, and I caught that by lucky, guys. I didn't even do the research, but I knew Miguel was suspended when I saw a post on Facebook. So Miguel is suspended, so Kunika will start in his place. Yeah, but Miguel, thank you. I think he's my player of the tournament, guys. We did a poll a few days ago asking who's our player of the tournament, and most of us voted for Miguel to be the player of the tournament. Yeah, about 3 goals and a very good performance in the final also. Yeah, well, Miguel, shout out, man. And then Kunika also, guys, being benched for like 2 years, maybe, possibly. Being blamed under the that's why in the era, yeah, but he's showing us why he became the defender of the season, yeah, but shout out to Kunika also. Right back, Solomon Tessusot, yeah, but one thing about Solomon's, guys, if you are at the stadium or if you caught that Vino snap camo images, like Nabi drew water at Solomon's, but poured water on him, like roughly in front of the whole stadium against Marmot Gallants, and he seemed a bit off. His body language was off ever since, and we lost the game. But Solomon has managed to come back, got an assist in the derby, had a very good performance in the cup final also. Yeah, but obviously he was at fault for the foul when you held off a game, but it doesn't matter, guys. It does not matter. If you want to complain about the players right now, then I don't know what's wrong with you. You're not a real Chiefs fan. I'm gonna call you out, yeah, but I'm not. I don't have the right to call someone a fake fan, but I think you're a fake fan if you complaining at this time. Yeah, well, I wouldn't want you to be my dad or my parents if you're always this grumpy, always complaining when we just want a trophy. The CDM guys, it's Tabo Trailer guys. Yeah, base signing, Yabo, adds a whole lot of like, even if it doesn't play well, you could see. It's just his leadership, Yabo, in the team makes a lot. Yeah, we've got plenty of leaders now. Msimango, Miguel, Dudley can be a future captain. Mart, Sereno, a veteran. Yeah, but we've got very good experienced players, and Tabo Trailer is the foundation of this team. Yeah, but next to him, guys. Aish, give him a round of applause. If you know, you know. If you know, you know, guys. I've never turned my back against Yusuf Mount. I've never, ever, Niman, I've never turned my back against Yusuf Mount. Never, ever said Yusuf Mount should lead Chiefs or he's a bad player. I've called him out for performances, but I've never said I go mole. Showed us, Yabo. Possibly a legendary goal, Yabo. Not a Chiefs legend, but a legendary goal. Yabo won us our first trophy in 10 years. He will be remembered. He will be remembered, guys. He scored the best goal of the derby of all time, and he scored the winning goal in the derby in the cup final. He will be remembered, guys. No matter what happens, he will be remembered. Yeah, bro. The cam. The number 10, guys. It's Sereno for me. I think it's Sereno. Obviously scored the goal in the cup final. Very good signing, guys. Yeah, but when we made a video, I think the best video of this channel, guys, is when we signed Sereno. That's the best video I made. I was so excited. We were all excited for Sereno. And yeah, man, it's time for Sereno to maybe give us his last 2-3 years at the highest level. Yeah, he's 34 or 33. Yeah, but a veteran, but a very good veteran at that. Yeah, but just needs to I actually say Igonyana. Yeah, and shout out to Mdu, guys. Mdu, very good cameo. Very good cameo. I wouldn't be surprised if he's starting. Yeah, but very good cameo. Last week I was complaining about him not he shouldn't start, but if this week he starts, then shout out. Yeah, but here we don't arenamona yiba fethu. Arenamona. Yabo. Umona phansi. Do what a performance, guys. We'll call you out when you're good and we'll call you out when you're bad also. Yabo. The left wing, guys, Pule Modi, guys. Monato Ekete. One has the penalty. If Mikel doesn't win the tournament, it has to go to Pule Modi. Yabo. Destroyed free agents. Had a very good game against Chepa. And was there for, I think, all the rounds. Yeah, but Pule Modi, shout out to you, man. And the striker, guys, Wandile Duba, aggression, ruthless aggression, Wandile Duba. Yeah, but I think for us to like stay in the game or to like kickstart and actually switch on, it was when Duba fought Mbogazi. Yeah, but that's when you realize, nah, this is a derby, guys. This is the tempers are high. Yeah, but I was watching the game with a few Pirates fans. There were 6 Pirates guys and then 2 of us who were Chiefs. And they were talking crap the whole game. Yeah, well, we're going to take care. We're going to beat Chiefs easily. When the penalty went in, guys, they said, one of the Pirates fans says that. Yeah, well, and then when Mount scored, guys, I was singing and they wanted to beat me up. Imagine. It's dangerous being a Chiefs fan, guys. It's dangerous, guys. And I'm happy that we beat them like in front of the faces. We didn't do the easy way, guys. We didn't face Midfield FC. We didn't face Magic FC, the General FC. We faced Tellies, Pirates, and Sundowns en route to the final. And in the later stages even. Full squads, everybody. That makes its victory so much sweeter, guys. So much sweeter. They were saying, Pule Modi. They were even saying Sino's overrated, guys. Imagine. Modi, Arana plan, ing. Yo, guys, it was just nice seeing the tears, guys, of Pirates fans, honestly. Yeah, but as much as it's important to us also, it was nice seeing those tears, guys. And then the right wing, guys, who is it? Goddy Lelepo. Lelepo, shout out to you, my guy. Very good signing. These signings were good, guys, except Morris. Morris has been on and off, but yeah, shout out to Lelepo. And that's the predicted 11 of the Chiefs. Okay, guys, let's look at Sekhukhune United. It's a very well-run club. I once told you that my cousin works for the security company of the owner. Yeah, well, so it's a very well-run club. only got good words to say about Kukune United. They're currently third in the PSL, currently in the moment. They have 45 points, Stellenbosch has 44. Those are the only two teams fighting for the CAF Confed spots because Chiefs has already confirmed their spot in the CAF Confed qualifiers. So it's really tight between those two teams, and there's only 2 games left for those two teams. Yeah, but they have Arrows coming up, so it's going to be a very tough game for a very easy game for Kun against Arrows, I think. If they play the way they did against Pirates Arrows, it's a weak team, but they beat us twice. And then the last 5 games, guys, they've won 3 games and drawn 2. Undefeated in the last 5 games, losing to Sundowns, the last defeat, 1-0 in the cup. Yeah, well, the head-to-head with Chiefs, it's 3 wins. No, it's 2 wins for Chiefs, 2 wins for Sekhukhune, and then 1 win, 1 draw in between. Honestly, the return fixed against Sekhukhune was a very good game, guys, because I think that was one of our best footballing performances of all time. I mean, this season, because we had our technical players, Matlo, Samkelo Zwane, Vilakazi, Mdu, like technical players, guys. That picked that game. It was a very good, like, that's when I saw Chiefs as ball-playing players. Yeah, but besides the point, my score prediction, guys, is going to be 2-1. I think 1-1, guys, because Sekhukhune really, really wants this, yeah, and we're a bit hungover from the success of last week, guys. Please like and subscribe, guys. Chiefs Fan Center. I love you.